Are there legal protections for buyers? Dubai has one of the most comprehensive and secure legal frameworks in the world for real estate, primarily managed by the Dubai Land Department, DLD, and its regulatory arm, the Real Estate Regulatory Agency, RERA. Here is a breakdown of the three main pillars of legal protection for you as a buyer, explained in simple terms. Official registration, the law of ownership. In Dubai, client legal protection begins and ends with proper registration. The golden rule in Dubai: ownership is not proven by a piece of paper handed to you by a seller, it is proven by official government registration. Ready property secondary market. When you buy a completed property, the transaction is transferred at the DLD trustee office, and the DLD issues a title deed in client name. This title deed is client absolute, legally recognized proof of ownership. Off-plan property under construction. For projects under construction, the contract is registered on the OCUD Interim Property Register system. This official registration legally ties you to that specific unit from day one, preventing the developer from selling the same unit to anyone else. Once the building is complete, client OCUD is converted into the final title deed. In simple terms, if it's not registered with the DLD, it doesn't legally belong to you. We ensure this registration is the very first step to secure client interest. Standardized contracts, transparency. RERA has implemented mandatory standardized forms for every stage of a property transaction. These forms ensure transparency and prevent hidden clauses that might favor one party unfairly. Form B, buyer-agent agreement. This is the contract between you and me, client-agent. It clearly defines my duties, the commission, and the duration of our relationship, ensuring I am working exclusively in client best interest. Form F, Memorandum of Understanding, MOU. This is the sale and purchase agreement, SPA, for ready properties. It is the legally binding contract between you and the seller, detailing the price, the payment schedule, and the transfer date. Once signed, both parties are legally obliged to complete the transaction as per the terms. In simple words, you will never sign a casual document. Every agreement is a formal, RERA-prescribed legal contract that clearly outlines client rights and obligations. Escrow accounts, financial security for off-plan only. This is perhaps the single most important protection for buyers investing in off-plan or under construction projects. The developer is not allowed to receive client payments directly. Instead, client money is deposited into a special segregated escrow account at a DLD-approved bank. RERA monitors this account closely. Funds are only released to the developer in stages and only after an independent RERA-appointed engineer has certified that a specific construction milestone, like 40% completion, 60% completion, etc., has been genuinely achieved. This safety net system ensures that client money is used only for the project you are buying into. If a developer runs into trouble or fails to deliver, the remaining funds in the escrow account are protected and can be used to refund buyers or complete the project under new management. In simple terms, client money for an under construction residential project is held safely by a neutral, regulated third party until the developer has proven they have done the work. In conclusion, the Dubai real estate market is built on a foundation of government oversight, DLD and RERA, designed to protect you financially and legally through mandatory registration and standardized contracts.